Hi, Jim from Godsyou.com. This is for entertainment purposes only. It's just my opinion. So take what you can use and leave the rest. Jesus is my hero, but he is not to me and to reality. My version is that he came here not to save us from hell. There's no hell. There's no fire and damnation. There's no judgment. There's only love. God created us from love. And it actually pisses me off when I hear some of this stuff saying that we're less than God. We're magnificent. Magnificent creatures, the most magnificent creatures God has ever created, and he created a bunch of cool stuff.